Mike Wine coming to you from Emergency Fire and Water, and as you can see, we're at another quality project that we're currently doing. This one is a little bit larger than normal in the sense that we actually had to knock down the entire structure. So once in a while, when there's a fire, the damage is too much that you just cannot restore the home, and this is a classic example of that happening. So we are actually doing 100% of this scope of work in-house. Most of the other restoration companies sub out to other vendors. Emergency fire and water restoration, we do it all in-house when needed. And this would be an example where the homeowner just didn't have enough funds, so we got creative and are helping them get through the process and going to get their home back the way that it once was, all for within the budget that they had to work with. So today's lesson, I guess, is just knocking down buildings and getting them ready to put back together.
Lance Hansen. I'm doing the demo of the Stephan home, and we're busting it down and loading it into dumpsters with the excavator. Well, it's awesome. It's just too bad it's got to be for somebody's house that caught on fire. But yeah, it's awesome to run the machine. Trying to figure out a way to save the walls on because they're attached to the flooring, so it's kind of breaking off the first layer of block around the top of the foundation. It's been the most difficult.